Good evening, friends. Welcome to my channel Astro Pankaj Seth. Today our topic is effect of Sun and Saturn conjunction. As we know that Sun and Saturn are enemy to each other. Sun is the father, Saturn is the son of the sun, and the relation between father and son is not considered so much good. As far as the classical books and the experience, I can say that Sun and Saturn conjunction is not considered so much good. Even it may cause for the Pitri dosha. Sun is a fiery planet, Saturn is the airy planets. Sun is the karak of the vitality and Saturn is the karak of the disease. So combination of the health and disease is not considered so much good. So whenever the Sun and Saturn conjuncted in the horoscope, then we can say that internal vitality of the native may be weak. That's why his health may be not so much good. Sun is the karak of bones. So natives may be suffering from the bones related issues. There is also a story regarding this. Whenever Sun and Saturn is affiliated in the charts, native may be suffering from the Vata dosha, and due to this native may be suffering from the body pain. His just like he may be suffering from the arthritis or others body pain. He may be suffering from the gastrics, and he may be suffering from the fever. Sun is the karak of heart, so native may be suffering from the heart related disease. As we know that Sun is the father and Saturn is the son of the father, son of the sun. So whenever the Sun and Saturn is associated in the charts, then we can say that relationship between father and native is not so much good. Native may have dispute with his father. There may be misunderstanding between father and son. Apart from this, in the father life, father may have a lots of hardship in his life. His father's health may be weak. His father may be getting many sort of opportunities, but he doesn't able to grab all these opportunities in the proper ways. We just like we can say that his father may be suffering from the misfortune. Saturn is the karak of the profession. Sun is the karak of the father. So we can say that either native may join his father's profession or his father business. But in this business, father and son may have some sort of dispute or thought differences. Sun is the karak of the government. So we can say that native may be doing the profession related to the government. Sun is the karak of government and Saturn is the karak of dispute. So native may have dispute with the governments, such as native may have tax related issues with the governments. Sun and Saturn conjunction is indicating that Neti may be political from the brain. He may be interested in the politics. Neti may be very crooked person. His ego is always heated, or he may be suffering from the humiliations due to his ego. As his ego is very high, so due to his ego, sometimes he may be taking the wrong attempts. He may be, due to his wrong attempts, he may be cause for the some sort of negative effect in their life. He may be assumed as a bad moral person, or his morality will be low. As far as the classicals, Sun and Saturn combination is indicating Neti may be expert in the metallurgy. He may be, his livelihood will be depends on the metals or metal related things, such as the Neti may be doing the business of the iron or iron related things. Sun and Saturn conjunction in the chart is indicating Neti may be always want to work independently. Why? Why? Sun is a planet who is the king. Saturn is the profession. So in the profession he also he will be the king. He doesn't want to work under anyone. He doesn't like to anybody interference in his work. He is a hard worker. He always think that he can do any work, and he will be dedicated towards his work. But lots of hardship in their work is always due to the Sun and Saturn negative conjunctions. Sun and Saturn conjunction is indicating there may be lack of happiness in his family life, such as he has lack of happiness through his wife and lack of happiness through his son. Neti may have issues regarding the childbirth, as in the Nadi astrology we has considered that Sun is the Karak of the kids, and here the Sun is affiliated with his enemy Saturn, so we can say that Neti may have some sort of issues regarding the childbirth. This is the effect of the Pitri dosh, which is maintained in the point number 1 in my articles. Native may has good faith on God, then he will be getting the kids. Apart from this, Sun and Saturn conjunction is indicating that Neti may be very brave. He will be carry name and fame of his forefather. Means his forefathers or his ancient family will be very reputed persons, and he will be try to bring good name and fame of his father, and he will be try to carry forward his name in next generation. Thank you. Hope you will be like my articles. You can also read all these articles from my sites www.astropankajseth.co.in, www.astropankajseth.com, and hindi.astropankajseth.co.in and ganeshmitra.com. Thank you. If you like my video, then definitely you will be subscribe my channels. Thank you.